Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So as you can see, this model is still equipped with the Google products like Play Store, and we can also add the Google account to this. So let's start with that. Let's open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll to find either accounts or Google. It's up to you basically which option you'd like to use. I prefer the accounts, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Here we have to pick Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it with the Gmail section. Alright, so here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will have all the info. But let me just turn it off, I don't want to waste time. However, just enter it and wait, you will be able to learn and read everything. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and search info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it. Just tap on it and tap on this trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.